it's finished. Trying to show you. It's like bumpy here. It should lift, yeah. I thought it would lift straight off. Problem is with this white, it's very dazzling in the camera light. Can you see those bumps there? Look at the bottom. That is like the bottom pattern I have, almost like a star shape I would call it. 3 supports. But if you look at my earlier ones with ePLA, they were quite bad. But as the police say, I discovered after contacting SOVOL, they pointed it out to me. There's like a metal pin on the idler wheel that is on this lever, I think here, and that was coming out a bit. I squeezed it back in with some long nose pliers, turn the power off first because there is a circuit board here. Since doing that, I've had no more like quite wide and gaps in the bottom layer. See, those 3 supports are trying to get the light to see how easy those ones. To come off there. That's very dazzling, isn't it? White PLA, ePLA. See, this will scrape off a bit. Use my thumbnail here. Yeah, I think that I scraped some of the like bumps off a bit. Hold at an angle gives you better light, and I think was very dazzling white. These are to go on here. See, this is an earlier one. And you see that lines here. And make out gaps in here. So that was just this pin, metal pin on it. I had a cogwheel, like dual gear, feeding on the extruder mechanism. Caused an awful lot of problems. See my other videos. Tree supports. And get the angle so that the light doesn't glare so much. That's the right of the printer now. I think most of those bumps you're seeing will escape off.